This video is about the homework 2. First is question 2. There are some details about this question. For the first question, we need to know the probability that x2 equals 1. There's two ways that makes x2 equals 1. This way and that way. The result is 0.7 multiply 0.8 plus 0.4 multiply 0.2. The result is 0.624. For the second question, we need to know the probability that x3 equals 1. So we need to know the probability of x2 equals 0 and the probability that x2 equals 1. And the result is 0.4 multiply 0.36 plus 0.7 multiply 0.64, and the result is 0.592. For the third question, we need to use this one, and we need to know the probability that x1 equals 1 equals 0 and x3 equals 1, and this could divide into two parts, this one and this one, and here is the result. We need to use 0.7 multiplies 0.4 multiplies 0.2 plus 0.4 multiplies 0.6 multiplies 0.2, and the result is 0.104. And we need to use the 0.104 to divide 0.592, and the result is 0.176. For the third question, for the last question, we need to know the xn, the probability of xn equals 0. At first I do not know how to do it, and I just search for the things in it. 规律怎么说? And here I've found some details. There are some connection between the xn equals 0 and xn minus 1 equals 0. And there is two ways that we could make the xn equals 0, and there we could also use the connection between the xn minus 1 equals 0 and the xn minus 2 equals 0, and we could do this thing for minus minus 1 times, and here is the result.